Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 for some time now. I really enjoy the tablet. I'm still searching for the perfect case for this tablet. Now in the previous episode, I have talked about 5 different type of casing for the tablet at different price point. I'll link it up top so you can go check out that video. But unfortunately, all 5 of those, they don't come with any of the screen cover, which is something I really miss from the previous S8 cover. So the previous S8, I was using the outer box. That one comes with a screen protector. So I really enjoy that. And so ever since then, I've been searching for it. And now I got 3 casings for the tablet that actually comes with a screen protector. One I'm really looking forward to try it on is this sub case or soup case. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce this, but anyway, Unicorn Beetle Pro. So this one I'm really looking forward to unbox and try on. This one's the most expensive one of the 3, comes at $30. So these 2, they are pretty generic. If you do an Amazon search, you will see a bunch of different variety of name brand that carry this type of casing. I'll put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check them out. And these 2, they were $26 at the time of filming. Let me try on the cheaper versions first. Alright, so this one is the sub 5 case for Tab S9. Okay, it's like some weird name. So this one, you can do 360 rotation, 3 layers of protection. They even come with the shoulder strap. I was wrong. This one does not have any screen protector. It's just another casing that I'm disappointed now. The whole point is to try to get a one with a screen protector. It's kind of unfortunate. There's a little bracket you need to pry it out first, and then the silicone, get it off from the casing itself. And now what you do is to put the tablet in the casing, just like the reverse process, and then put the silicone back on. Okay, lastly, you're going to put the cover. They have a spot that holds the pen all the way in, so there's less chance for it to fall off. And there's a hand strap on the back when you can turn this 360. So yeah, you can hold the tablet on the back like this. So this is pretty cool. You can adjust to fit your hand size. It helps if you need to take the tablet and do some work on it while you're holding it. And sometimes when you are holding the tablet on the corner or on the bottom, eventually your hands getting really tired. So this way, it kind of alleviate the weight off on your hand. So let's see the strap. I'm not too keen into using this strap. There are openings where you're gonna needle your strap into, so that way you can put the strap on. I don't think I ever wanted to put this around my neck to hold it, but this could be something that put behind your car seat, so that way if you have a kid in the back row, they can actually watch videos while this thing is strapped onto the back seat. That seems quite interesting. Let's move on to the second one. This one is also $26. Also comes with a strap. Hopefully this one has a screen protector, and it does not. Okay, so come on now. I am really looking forward to have a case that has a screen protector, but none of this have that function. Since I already have this, might as well try it out. The design, they are very similar. So there's a bracket on the outside. Okay, get this off and put the tablet in. I guess you don't have to roll back the silicone all that much, just a little bit, so you can get your tablet in. The quality of this one is not that great. Everything is in place. I'm not really liking this casing. The silicone, it doesn't really cover the case all that well. There's a pen case here where you can hide your pen and it won't fall off. They have this thing you can just set your tablet. You can rotate it, set it however you want. Yeah, you can use it to hold on to your tablet or use it as a tablet stand. Yeah. And here is the strap. Same idea as the previous one. The straps goes to the opening up top here, from the front to the back end. That's how the straps will fish through and come out off. But again, this does not have any screen protection. So yeah, I'm very disappointed with this too. I thought they come with screen protection, but I was wrong. Okay, so moving on to the third one. All right, last one. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro sub case. I think that's what they call it. Anyway. Okay, so this one is the most sleek of the three. Okay, so they have a arrow pointing to separating front casing from the rear case. So from this corner here, much easier to peel back the casing now. All right, so this one does have a screen protector. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think it will be much easier if I put the tablet into the front case first, and then now let's try to put this back in. Yeah. So the sequence is you put the tablet onto the front case and then snap everything back in. Oh, this is much better. Oh, I think I found the perfect case. Lastly, pull this off. Oh, okay, my fault. All right, so there's another seal that's supposed to peel off inside the casing. So there were two seals, one on the outside and one on the inside. I didn't realize there's one more film on the back until I put everything back on. Oh man, it looks a lot better. Yeah. Okay, so I think I found the right case, or the perfect case for my tablet now. Unicorn Beetle Pro. Oh man. Okay, found the right case. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. Pricing is not too bad at $30 at the time of filming. And I'll put all the product information down the description below, so you can go check out the most up-to-date pricing. Pen holder, kickstand, perfect. Has a screen protector as well. All right, cool. Yeah, found the right one. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Until next time, bye.